Today, I'm unboxing the ultimate driving comfort hack, the 3-in-1 Memory Foam car headrest. Ergonomic support for your head, neck and upper back. High density memory foam with a breathable cup, perfectly contoured to prevent whiplash and ease motion impact. Concave center cradles your spine. 3 zones: head, neck, back support. Adjustable straps fit all car seats. Simple setup, strap it on, adjusted, done. Instant comfort, upgrade for long drives or daily commutes. Support plus style plus convenience. 3-in-1 comfort you don't know you need it. Would you ride with this? Comment below. Until next time, bye bye.